know Daddy's for real in this one.
I'm for real in this video today. Are you excited about that?
Uh-huh.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna unbox a shoe you saw before what we had in it.
That's right.
So,
And you guys are gonna tell me what you think about it.
First, I'm going first. Okay?
All right. Well, let's see. What you got?
No! Color and what it is.
Well, I can't guess what you think it is.
I'm talking about shoes.
You wanna not sit on my box?
Shoes and what? Who's supposed
Of course, the shoes is in the shoe box. What color is it, little dude?
Red.
Red. Okay.
Red and blue.
What color is yours?
I think it's shoes and the color is. I think it's shoes and the color is yellow, orange, white,
Yellow, orange, white, red,
and green.
and green. And what color is this one?
Gray.
Okay. What color is this one?
Red, blue, white, orange, and green.
Y'all got a lot of colors going on. All right. Go ahead. Yeah. You gotta be like, you haven't sniffed it. How you pass out? That's actually pretty dope.
It smells good.
You gotta present them like, to the people.
So this is the shoe we have. You can smell it. Like a red, light color, but with a little shine in it. And then this is like a feel.
It's a snake skin. It's not real snake skin.
See? What is called snake skin?
Right there.
But it's not real snake skin.
It's supposed to be satin. I guess this. It says satin snake skin, but I don't see no satin. It's nice though, right?
Yeah.
Almost like silk deal.
Let me go get my water. Oh, I have to smell. I gotta smell it 2 times.
I smelled it 2 times too. Y'all ready?
Wait, is it shoe in there?
I ain't say that. You gotta guess what's in here. Do it look like a shoe fit in there?
No.
No. What do you think it is? You think it's a shoe in there? It's a little bitty, itty bitty, teeny weeny baby shoe? No.
I think it's for your collector.
Yeah. My collectibles.
Yeah.
My figurine. Action figures, girl. Action figures. Alright, y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay. What do you think is in here?
I just told you.
What'd
And
you
I
say?
think it's
Action
the
figures?
lockers to the
My
lockers
bad.
to the action figures.
You think it's the lockers to the action figures?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Doesn't really feel like it.
you don't look. Just reach your hand in. You too. Without looking. Now show the people. You gotta open it up and see.
You bought another one.
I bought another one.
Oh, these are big. That's
Can y'all show the video instead of
You
looking
got
at
the
me?
mask. Where you get the mask?
I didn't buy it. They just sent it.
They gave him a mask that matches to his shirt
Close.
and his.
The camera's that way.
I know. He gave him a mask that get from his shirt and his pants. What does it say?
Oh my god. Alright, it says Chicago.
Chicago.
And it matches these shoes.
It does.
It does.
I thought it was gonna match Chloe's shoes.
You thought it was gonna match Chloe's shoes? Well, I mean, if I wanted to not match, it could. Look at you. You know how to fold. Who taught you how to fold?
Don't fold it up. I didn't get to see that.
see it. Y'all need a nap.
What is this tag? You.
Yeah, I need a nap too.
This feels rough.
It feels rough.
And this matches to this. Wait, is this the same one? Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Where's the energy today?
Yeah.
Chloe, don't forget to what?
Subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up.
I thought they were supposed to get a thumbs up.
I don't know. I think y'all both need naps.